So here's the way it's shipped. It comes in this nice protective box. Let's open it up and see what's inside here. We have the battery wrapped in Velcro, and we have an instruction sheet that has all kinds of information about the battery and the warranty and how to charge the battery and safety precautions and things like that. It's very well written. Actually, I read it. It's nice information to have. The battery is protected with some material here, and this is a 2200 milliamp hour 3-cell LiPo battery with a nice T connector. I use these T connectors on all my airplanes. It's the connector that I really like. This is a balance plug, and you notice it has a nylon cover over it, which is nice. It makes it easier to grab it instead of pulling on these wires and damaging it. This is a much better idea. I really like that. And let's just see what the weight of this battery is. We have a digital scale right here. Shows it at about 6.12 ounces. I'll make sure that's ounces. Yep, that was ounces. Okay. So, connector has a nice long lead on here, which is about 5 inches long, which is nice. And again, the T connector is already soldered on there with heat shrink. And it's always the positive is the horizontal one and the negative is the vertical one. So I'm going to put this on a charger and charge it. And then I'm going to bring it to the field and we're going to test it in one of my airplanes. So I have the Gensace 2200 milliamp hour 25C 11.1 volt. I have it charging on the Thunder AC6 charger. So it's I started off charging at 2.2 amps, and you can see it's down to 0.2 amp. And let's take a look at the individual cell voltages. 4.2, 4.2, 4.19. That looks good. And we're going to go and test this on one of my airplanes. So I'm going to use it in a plane called the Big B. And I've had this plane for about 15 years. And this is the perfect battery for this plane. So we're going to give it a test flight right now. So it had a lot of power. Took off fine. A lot of power. I can probably go straight up. As you can see, it's working beautifully. It's kind of hard to fly and record at the same time. We'll see how long of a flight we get out of it. Okay, the sun's going down, so I had to stop. This thing still had full power, and I flew for 14 minutes, and it was showing no signs of the power dropping. Let's see how the battery's warm. I was really pushing it. Okay, so I just took the battery out of the plane right after I had that flight, and it's just warm to the touch, which is good. No expansion, so this battery performed really great. So as you saw in the flight video, this battery did really well. It didn't heat up, and I was really pushing it. Got over 14 minutes. I probably could have got about 25 minutes of flight on that airplane, which is great. So I really like this battery. I think this is a really great value at the price they're charging, and it came really fast, and as you saw, it didn't overheat. I like the balance connector on here, the way they wired this up for you with the T connector is great. So I'm going to give this battery a full 5-star rating on my video review channel, and I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thanks for watching.